So it is Thursday night. Genuinely didn't know what day it was. I just had like 4 days with my little sisters. They slept over all week and we just had like slumber party and they helped me with Oren. It was so cute. They're so good with him and he loves them. So it was so much fun. And my older sister came as well. So we went to the pool a few times. And just, I showed them around town, did some of my favorite things with them, like going to my favorite coffee shop, my favorite bubble tea place, and just hanging out, you know? It's not often that you get to hang out with your younger siblings when you have like a large age gap, so I really value that, and I'm glad that they still enjoy hanging out with their older sister. I haven't really talked to the camera at all this week because I just really like try to stay in the moment, but also like capturing the moment. So trying to find the balance with that. But now I am definitely exhausted. Then I just turned on the TV and for some reason, somehow I didn't realize that the reunion episode of Secret Lives of Mormon Wives was out. So I'm watching that, or at least some of it, because I'm not going to watch all of that tonight. I need to go to bed. So I'm watching some of that and having a little snack. But I also just wanted to say, like, this is one of my all-time favorite snacks. And I've gotten so many people hooked on it. I just love a Flamin' Hot Cheeto and then Flamin' Hot Dorito, and I just love them. I've been obsessed with these since I was like in 5th grade. They're so good. Gotta love a little red 40 every now and then. So having a little bit of that and then just drinking a ton of water because I have not drank enough water this week. Yeah, I was like telling them to drink so much water, but I did not stay on top of it. So, girls, if you're seeing this, I know, I'll do better. I needed a little sweet snack. So, I went to Trader Joe's last week and I saw these. They're strawberry vanilla yogurt covered pretzels. And honestly, I'm just a sucker for anything pink, so I saw this really cute packaging. And I saw the strawberry, and I also love strawberries. So I knew I just had to try it. Oh yeah, we did our nails today. I didn't really get any footage of that. If I did, I'll post that. But we did like a little rainbow moment, and I did kind of like an opalescent. Yeah, if you can see that, I'll include it. But yeah, it was just really fun to kind of do like matching nails with them too. But I'm sure you're going to see a lot of that content from those days that they were here because I did get some cute little videos. They really inspired me to keep recording and it's just fun to do. I'm glad we're going to have that memory to look back on when they're older and just having it to look at and when Oren's older because he's in it. And I cannot believe I am planning my soon-to-be 1-year-old's birthday. I can't believe it. Like, I know everyone says it, and I'm not going to get into too much detail about that because I'm sure I will have a video talking more about it, but I just can't believe I'm planning that. I love him so much. Today is actually his 11-month birthday, so we need to get those pictures, or take those pictures. I need to take them maybe tomorrow or something, but we'll see. Anyways, I hope you have a great night, or whenever you're watching this. Get some rest, drink some water, take care of yourself. Yeah. Pull it down. You can do it. Yeah. Thank you. This is the reality of every day with an almost 1-year-old. This is like 3 times a day. I clean it. and it gets like this. I'm sure it's gonna get worse over time, but we're doing our best here. Good morning, or whatever time of day it is for you. Ignore my hair. I just took a shower, so I'm trying to dry my bangs. This is what my hairstylist did, so I'm trying to do it again, see what she did, because my bangs have never looked as good as when she did them. Today I have therapy. I also started my period today, and I don't really get a period very frequently because I have PCOS. So if you also have PCOS, I see you. I don't know, I feel like it just hits me harder sometimes because I'm not used to it. I am starving. I need to feed myself. Can't think of anything that sounds good. You know, the usual. I made myself a dirty chai this morning, but I can't finish it until I eat food, because that's just the way I am. It makes me really shaky if I don't. I feel like a lot of people are like that, but I don't know. So many people I know, like, the caffeine doesn't really affect them. There are pros and cons to that part too. But, so I need to make myself lunch. I have therapy today, like I said. I want to start some laundry. I need to clean one of the bathrooms, and then whatever Oren has planned for the day. He's been, I don't know, definitely more attached lately. He wants us to play on the floor with him a lot. and doesn't want to solo play very frequently. I think it might be like teething, or he just wants to play with us. We are on our afternoon walk. It was so hot today, but for some reason it's really nice this evening. I think it's like 88, so it's still hot, but it's like in the shade. It's nice. There's a good breeze. Are we just sitting in the trunk having a snack? Okay, I just left. That was insane. I got so much stuff. My total was, I think it was like $270. I got so many toys for the next stage up, and like some that are gonna last him longer. I got some clothes, some winter coats, and a bunch of like Montessori stuff for a really great price. So I'm really excited. I did a really good job.
you.